Make sure I got my keys. Should do that before I shut the door. Alright, we're good. What up, Charlie? There's Charlie. See him? He's fired up for a walk. Good morning, everybody. We got an exciting morning here. Warm and toasty and balmy like always out here in Wisconsin. Just play it. She's about 0 degrees. No wind again. That's nice. But the cool thing is, it's a little country road to get here. I had about 8 deer cross right over here, right where I was pulling in this little spot here. Bunch of deer there crossing, and then I'm walking down this trail and I just saw 2 or 3 cross up there also. So we got deer moving all over, which is pretty exciting. We're gonna do about a mile again this morning. Get the blood flowing a little bit. Nice fresh trail right there. We're in the woods this time. Some county forest, some public land. Oh, excuse me. But yeah, it's kind of thick. There's a little pine plantation up there. Nice little area. Switch it up a little bit. Let the dog run around the woods instead of just the field there. So yeah, let's just go for a little walk and enjoy the day. We'll extend this thing up. And today I got the bullet stick, which lets me spin it around my head and do a bullet time video. I've yet to try it, so we're gonna try that about halfway through our walk here when we get to a cool looking spot. Still learning how to use this camera. Working on my technology skills. Whew, fingers are cold already. Alright, we gotta get this extended and put a finger in the pocket. Oh, she's not extended very good and it's cold. There we go. That should work. Good boy, come on. Ooh. Good boy, come on. How high up are we? Oh, high enough to hit those branches. Switch hands. These little electric hand warmers, lifesavers. 'Cause I gotta wear gloves without fingers so I can work the camera. So I put these in my pocket and they help a lot. Good boy, you smell it here? Yeah, you do. Big chow right right here. I think this is where I see him. Yep. See him crossing right there. Good boy, go Blondie. Sun's just coming up back there. Careful, there's a fence over there. And that's private property. Get off their land. This way. Good boy. Let's try bullet time. This looks like a good spot. We're gonna make this quick because the fingers are cold. All right, we tried bullet time. Not sure if it worked. Preview, oh, something. Camera was saying something, I don't know what it was saying. It might be recommending a different light condition or something, I don't know. Whatever, we're going with it. My fingers are cold. Oh, oh. Excuse me. I might see a giant buckram. We might have to go check that out quick. Oh wow. Yeah. I mean, it's not super fresh. Maybe 2 years ago. That's a pretty good sized tree right there. Interesting. Little trail right there, deer trail. Oh yeah, take a poop. Look at him, he's going poop. He's going poop. Oh, picker bush has got the back of my heel. Whew. That's what I get for watching the dog poop. Wow, my fingers are cold. Switch hands. Alright. Off we go. Good boy. Sheesh. Heavy used deer trail. Look at that. Down to the ground. We got fresh pea right there. What is that, Charlie? You smell the deer? Good boy. Let's not follow it though. Yeah, let's keep going this way. Good boy. Good boy. Heavy deer trail. Another heavy deer trail. Sheesh. Can't really see where they're moving in this fresh snow. Fresh scrape. Another one right there. I shouldn't say fresh. They've been there for a little bit. Probably not this past fall, but the fall before. So is that 2 years? We'll consider it. Over a year. You know what I'm saying? Let's go over here. My phone said 0 degrees before I left. And its camera limits are -4, so it's holding up. It's doing its job. They don't lie on the description. I'm pretty happy with it so far. Only had about a week, but I definitely recommend it so far. Make sure on durability. That's always crucial. Durability, reliability. If you don't have that, it ain't worth buying, period. Another heavy deer trail. Look at that, wow. Oh, excuse me. Oh, feet are getting cold, fingers are cold. Come on, hand warmers. Good boy. All right, bud, I think this is where we turn back. Come on, big guy. I'm not sure if I said this yet, but tomorrow it is finally going to start warming up. What'd you find? After about a week, I feel like it's been 2 weeks, but of just brutal cold. Finally, some relief. I think like 10, 20 degrees warmer. Doesn't seem much, but when it's bitter cold at 10, 20 can make it just cold. Cold is manageable. Bitter cold is not fun. But this dog needs his walks, or he's a sporting hunting dog. German short hair pointer. He's got to get his runs in or he goes a little crazy in the house during the day. So it's good for him, and he doesn't mind the cold. He's all bundled up. A little sweater and his outside waterproof thing. He's got 2 layers on, he's good. But anyways, that little warm-up's gonna be fantastic. I am looking forward to that. I've been wanting to get out coyote hunting. Prime time right now, it's mating season for them. But I'm not going to be sitting out in the cold holding a metal shotgun in my hands when I can barely film for 5 minutes with something that's padded and warmer. So hopefully we can do a little coyote hunting this weekend, I'm thinking. I'll try and get that on video. Are you eating a log? Why are you eating a log? Dogs don't eat logs. Whew. I did buy a new pair of snowshoes. I was hoping to use them this winter. End of January, February, March. Once March is done, we're kind of thinking about thawing for sure. So we'll see if I get enough snow to actually use them. Come on, get going. What are you doing? But like I said, I definitely recommend these, said this yesterday, those spikes on your feet, or chains. Won't catch me slipping out here, especially along the bay where there's ice out there all over. Crucial. I don't want to be slipping and falling in this freezing cold. Doinking my head on some ice. Knocked unconscious in negative 20 degrees. So they could save your life, I guess. Sun's just starting to poke through them trees. Oh, she's beautiful. I enjoy the forest walks. Good boy. Oh, excuse me. Oh. I take my vitamins right away in the morning. That includes 2 fish oil pills. And I always get one burp that tastes like nasty fish. And it just happened. I wish I had my water to rinse it down. Oh, my toes are freezing. I didn't wear my boots, I've got hiking shoes on. That's a good boy, Charlie. That's a good boy. That's a good boy, yeah. That's a good boy, Charlie. Let's go. You don't eat the camera. Oh, nice jump! He jumped. Wow! Dang, bro! You like an Olympic sprinter, jumper. Look at him. Oh, face dive into the snow. Yeah. Good boy. Come on. Ah, that sun looks cool coming through there. Good boy. When he gets too far ahead, I hide on him, like right now. Here he comes. There he is! Oh, there he is! You found your daddy. Don't get so far ahead or I hide on you. Good boy, come on. But you see the car, so you're excited. You always run to it. Good boy, you found it. Oh, fingers cold. Yeah. Get in that vehicle and crank the heat. All right, friends, that's about it. Thanks for joining along on this walk this morning with me and Charlie. We'll see you tomorrow. That's a good boy. Samar. Oh, keys down.